How to fix CapCut video freezing. In order to fix CapCut video freezing, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. So open up your respective app store, and on the search bar, you want to type in CapCut. Once you do it so, you want to make sure that the CapCut app is updated to the latest version. After updating the app, try launching and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, what you want to do is open the settings app on your device, and after which you just want to go to app section. There you want to go to CapCut and locate storage and cache. Once you do this, you want to make sure to go ahead and select clear cache, and this is how you're supposed to fix as well. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could simply restart your device by holding on to your side button, and at the same time reinstall your CapCut app, and that should also be able to fix. And in some cases it could be due to the file type or the size as well. So if the size is not compatible, then you can face such issue like freezing and all that. So this way you're supposed to fix CapCut video freezing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.